Hello happy crafters and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys it's a small little haul that I did on Amazon. It's nothing too major, but I did find these really cool books on there, and they're for like ephemeras and creating ephemeras, working on junk journals, for lap books like the ones that I like to make. All different types of things like creating cards, mixed media art, altered art, decoupaging, collaging, like you name it, you can do it with this. And I've gone ahead and purchased two of these books. Okay, so the first one, these are scrapbook embellishments. Okay, so again, it's for ephemera. It's got elements for decoupage, for notebooks, journaling, and scrapbooking. They're vintage photo clip art collections, and for this particular one, there's two of them that I saw. Although they do have different ones, like with different themes. They have some that are Victorian. They have even like for circus, like they have all different types of themes. You guys would have to check those out to see like which ones appeal to you. But they have it's 54 pages. It's 54 pages. As you guys can see, it's only printed on one side, which is super awesome because sometimes we buy ephemera books that are printed on both sides, and that can be a little bit of a nerve wreck because you never know which one to choose. And so this is by Paper Moon Media. This is their information in case you're interested in searching them up. A lot of these images you can go ahead and find them like on Google or Pinterest or other places like that. So there's basically over 200 images here, and you're going to get them in different sizes. These are photos of women and girls, and they're again for scrapbooking, junk journals, They can be used for any notebook, journal, or scrapbook craft or decoupage project. Each page is blank on one side for easy crafting. You are free to copy, scan, transfer, or resize these images as you see fit. Great for altered art, decoupage, journaling pages, card making, gift tags, and scrapbooks. So you can go ahead and not feel guilty about scanning these in, or if you find them on YouTube and you want to download them and use them for whatever you would like, you can go ahead and feel free to do so. What's awesome is that you can buy this book one time and never run out of images, because if you scan them and you save them, then you always have them available for printing. And not only that, you can also resize them as well, which comes in handy. But the quality is really nice. Overall, I really like it. The paper is kind of thin. That's one of the things that I'm like, I wanted to give this like a higher score, but the paper's a little bit thin. The images themselves are beautifully printed, but I'm kind of worried about the thinness of the paper and when I go adding like mediums and stuff to it. And so we'll see. But hopefully you'll be able to kind of decoupage this and not have like, ink running or anything like that. But the paper is kind of thin. It is printed on a glossy paper, so you do have that gloss. But the colors and the details, for the most part, are very clear and vivid. So I'm going to go ahead and do a flip through of this book for you guys so that you guys can see all the beautiful images that are in here. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in just a little bit for you guys. Okay. There we go. I did search here on YouTube and try to find, even on Google, like I try to find some reviews about this book, like, some of the images that it might include, so on and so forth. But I couldn't find previews of this book anywhere. So I thought it would be a good idea to kind of create this preview for you guys in case you were interested in something like this. Some of you guys might already know about this book, and it's probably one of your most, valued treasures. This book is amazing. It's got a lot of beautiful images. It kind of lends itself to all different types of seasons as well, like Christmas, Easter. You have a little bit of everything in here. There are a lot of children in Volume 1, I see. Volume 1 features a lot of children, a lot of beautiful little girls in all different types of beautiful, dresses with beautiful colors. Super pretty. Like this one will be perfect for like a Christmas. So some of these, it looks like they've been downloaded from Google or something like that, because some of them even have like words in them. So those are something that have already probably been remastered by somebody else or have been edited by other people. But again, super pretty. Those will make really cute, like little cute ephemera pieces. I'm going to be making all different kinds of projects with these. Super excited. Love the imagery, love the colors. Hopefully I'm not flipping through these pages too quickly. But isn't that pretty? It's not gorgeous. Love that. Beautiful, beautiful. And that's the last of it. So that was volume 1, you guys. And volume 2, it's basically the same deal. Some of the images do repeat. I did notice that, but they probably they repeat in smaller sizes or bigger sizes than the ones that are in the other book. But there was also a whole bunch of new ones that are not included in volume 1. So that's pretty cool. These are perfect for ephemera. Some of them have already have been edited already. Obviously, you know, you see the vibrancy and colors. So all of that has been added in by somebody. But these are still super, super cool. Even though they're in their altered kind of state. I love it. Oh my god, look how cute. They put lipstick on the baby. Oh my goodness. This one right here reminds me of me. Super, super cute, I gotta say. But yeah, oh my god, look at you guys. All these different images. I can see myself doing all different types of projects with this. I think for the black and white one, I'm going to be working on like a black and white lap book. Like a monochromatic kind of lap book. Something that I don't think I've really done yet is a monochromatic kind of lap book. So I'm thinking that a lot of these black and white images I'm going to be using for that book. These are super pretty. See her, we have her in the other book, but we have her in a larger size. And even in a smaller size, I think. This one I've used before, but in a larger size. Like, a lot bigger than that one. But that's a beautiful, beautiful image. And I'm just loving all these colors. And their hair is like, oh my goodness. Love it. So roughly between the two, I'm going to say they were a little less than $25 or around there, you know, with tax and everything. But I think that it's definitely well worth it. I would have loved for this book to come with a CD because then I wouldn't have to be scanning every single sheet. But yeah. Very nice and to have it all in one place and not having to go searching for them. Super cool. And I think that's the last page here. Yes, it is. Alright, you guys, so that's it for volume 2. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, please do so. Leave a comment down below. That would be greatly appreciated. What would you like to see? Do these kind of images inspire you to create any kind of projects? Let me know down below. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Till then, happy crafting. Bye.